This is a 10-pack of diagnostic test lead Alligator clamps for 4mm banana terminals. I was sent these to review for free. If you wanted to purchase them, it cost you about $13 for the 10-pack. So in the bag we have 10 of these, and there's 2 different ones of each color. So you have, the red and the black, which are coming, positive and minus, and then you have some other kind of green, yellow, blue that you can use. So each of these has 4mm banana jacks at the base, a little spring clamp here, and these terminals have little alligator teeth. And there's at the end, there's kind of a little catch at the end to kind of catch onto the end of something. So they are rated up to 1,000 volts and 32 amps. They look a little thin for 32 amps to me, so I think that's an absolute max rating for a very brief period of time. But the plastic feels quite solid there. It has 1 kV here, it says 1000V and 32A there. They have little grippy things here and this little thing so you can hold on to it pretty well for putting things in orange. So all in all, they look relatively nice. I don't think I'd put 32 amps through them continuously. But if you need some test leads to clamp onto a small battery terminal or a big wire, these are pretty decent size. So compared to your mini Alligator clamps, they're significantly larger. We're looking about 3.3 inches by, say, 1.5 inch there.